Hey guys, today I'll show you how to build a custom automation in Monday.com. First, click the Automate button at the top right of your board. Then choose Create from Scratch. Next, choose a trigger, like when status changes, when item is created, or when date arrives. After your trigger, set a condition if needed. For example, only if status is equals to done. Then choose one or more actions, such as notify someone, move item, or create a new item. Once your automation is configured, click Create Automation to activate it. To manage automations, go back to the Automate Center, then Manage tab, where you can turn automations on or off, duplicate them, or delete them. If you want to reuse the automation later, click the three-dot menu next to your custom automation. Save it as template, then give it a name. And that's how you create a custom automation in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.